Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just wanted to stop in and say hey. I got to send some love out to my good friend Photog. Dude, you're the only person I know that could bring this to life. Right now I'm standing on top of Rocky Top. I'm not going to see the song or do anything disrespectful. I don't want karma to get a hold of me. But man, y'all ready for this? I'll try to move slow, but it's incredible. So today I'm going to hike, I think another 4 or 5 miles to go to Derrick Knob Shelter. Then we do about 10, and that's going to put me at Clingman's Dome. This is just so amazing. Wow. It's hard as hell, but it's pretty amazing.